Monday, 10 May 2021. Alien Fountain is now on this millennium. Definitely get connected. Base Contact International on this month conference say that 666 on this company needed to make approach begin on internet global. On this day, INSEE International will confirm to 6661 for this company. Starts alien family actually already recognized by peoples on countries since years before reform 6661 for this company. The status actually got of religions conspirations until this moment really. Contact International say alien farming actually already being approved and celebrated for the anniversary century. It's God of religions actually authority supreme, and through this moment telecommunication contact by internet ID 6661 for this company. International one confirm also about phenomena supernatural on this progress on probability like goting situation about alien funds that's gone next week. Religions conspiration since years before reform 6661 for this company actually already being recognized by countries. Non-secret has meaning, but seems very difficult to explain about that by 666 for this company. To Asian countries and also Europe, to Niti, Christianity, Anglos, England, and Arabic Israel and Americana continents. International contact say alien farming already being recognized status guard of religions there. Through the continents that say on last second this conference. Alien in good names, century of them also. Since years, 2 years before reform 6661 for this company, already being introduced by Europe and also Arab and America. It's gone to public. Religions conspiration waiting appointment reform numerical people also. Conversation going on actually years, 2 years before reform 6661 for this country. On Europe as forum also, and to Arab and Israel, Iran and Arabic, and to America also, and England based contact say for that. Good now we go people and also about human commanding goods in green actually already issue and compensation by international forum actually countries to country. And context Ellen Farm actually include for that. And to this moment conference 666 one for discovery Islam International as delegation for Friends International Alien with human one confirmed to 666 one for discovery about status anniversary of alien gun of religions actually need to be promoted, sustained on this moment millennium. For also about clearing condition equality, suspect human reach three countries will count each other. Basic actually alien farming definitive non-guilty and on superior status is geared to countries. In Europe, countries there, and Arabic Israel also, and America, and Asia countries also on this last second context here. People on international actually are in connection trust alien friends here. And I want to confirm about that on this moment conference so can be clear and published to international by 666 Islam. And takes the alien on couple on England, Europe, alien on sea. And about money logo Euro also include alien for the status of German for the existence. And about United States, America, alien trade and others also actually being honored and honored same right with human. Since years before Reform 6661 was discovered, already exclusive and maintained by peoples of United States America. The alien take, the alien Morgan Angel, and the alien Emertet is contact stated also. Alien non-residents on United States America. On continents Americana also. Context say alien family on this moment appointment into the ID6661 for discovery need to be promoted again, sustained for status ownership anniversary achieving God century to century. By age to age and to this millennium also. Alien is God, not to be dubbed by peoples. And about status equality suspect on this millennium, definitively recognized by international. None include alien. Suspect human, got human commanding goods in grave, got millennium, got numbering code. Already conversation and recognized actually by government, three countries, international. Since years before Reform 666 on for discovery. And through this moment calendar conference, international 666 on for discovery meaning to me contact for that. So can be reminded by international about the condition contact actually include for anniversary retrieval alien farming on this millennium. Alien definitely starts young religions and Falian suspect him in commanding Ghost in Grey is another different than alien farming. Knowing about alien farming and definitively need to be recognized by international on this moment day. Alien religions and appointment real meet already happened since years before Reform 666 from the Scout Premium. Alien to Buddha and also about Hindu and to Trinity on Europe and also about Islam International. Alien already been approved by peoples the status began since years before Reform 666 on the Scout Premium. Already arrived through this millennium of alien farming so until this millennium. Alien emerged Jesus Christ, Muhammad also, and until this more millennium anniversary, million years for status God of religion's conspiration until this millennium. More declare our next appointment could now be Alien exists except national country my logo 666 among human countries. Agreement already being approved 661 for this country. Confirm on this moment calendar sustain and random because also include contact telecommunication from local peoples on Indonesia on this moment calendar also. Say about name, institution, police and also government, national, country Indonesia and contact 6661 for the scout remaining on reward and also about statement, conference, tribute, anniversary, alien family on this moment in time. Alien Farm International definitive true contact by 6661 for the scout family. Non-fake experience telecommunication international about case phenomena supernatural on this millennium. Claim suspect human commanding Ghost in Grey. And contact says 6661 for the scout family on reward or the ownership for gain on this moment case. About sabotage ordinary job of name one corner also as meaning 6661 for the scout family. Definitive support by this moment experience telecommunication contact international. With topic on this moment conference calendar, alien family actually already being recognized since years before Reform 6661 for the scout family. On international three countries for status actually God of religions conspirations in century until this moment millennium. And one be proof also for internet ID 6661 for the scout family because claim about phenomena supernatural on this moment as activity responsible by suspect human commanding goods from grave, which are about unknown religions from country Indonesia, ethnic or costumes local also. 6661 for scout framing on this moment calendar conference. Base context definitive being known by international about status as victim of a suspect human activity which magic supernatural commanding goods from grave on this moment 2021. Since 2008 on this day need to be recognized and context to stay through internet global ID 666 for scout framing. For recognizing them, their status, domicile address also. The suspect that on internet ID 6661 for scout framing already been claimed day after day on these years. Since 2008 until 2021. International countries say Alien Farm International definitive not to be blamed for the situation because Council really recognized Alien Family definitive status trust alibi for the phenomenon. Supernatural Authority International appointment conversation already happened since years before the 4661 for scout framing. And to this moment calendar 2021 terrorist supernatural suspect human on claim internet ID 6661 for scout framing on blaming guilty alien family for status suspect and will not going to become true because alien family already being a tribute status authority for the conversations with countries since years before report 6661 for scout framing. Phenomena supernatural on this moment years 2008 until 2021. Definitive being recognized and being investigated about the status suspect to human commanding goods from grave, which from unknown religions and also about Ko-Ikhwan, continents Asia also for their domicile address terror on this million. 6661 for the scout framing being contact Alien Farm International, so alien tape also day after day by alien friendly human contact delegation experience telecommunication happening. And on this calendar 10 May 2021 about attribute status God to religions for alien family. Actually definitive need to conference on this moment day. To internet ID 6661 for the scout framing. For recognizing the situation, supernatural phenomena, definitive blaming or about conspiration peoples known to be blamed to alien family. 6661 was covering meaning. I want to say thank you very much on this moment calendar conference. Definitive promote for alien family status recognized by peoples on international. Human commanding goods from grave code millennium code 666 on this moment conference calendar 10 May 2021. Thank you very much people. You can search 6661 for scout framing on internet social media on this day. And on this last contact meeting said terror international on this millennium definitive going to suspect human case commanding goods from grave on this year. Contact say need to make conference by the ID 6661 for scout framing. Through Google, Facebook, and also video to YouTube, you can search internet ID 6661 for scout framing. And another link social media that people actually known on this moment trend millennium 6661 for scout framing. Contact say definitive being supported by United States of America peoples and also worldwide on this millennium for investigation and finding the truth. Supernatural phenomena on this millennium definitive happening and trust alibi or being contact also peoples contact alien family on this day. So alien take United States of America and also so alien family and others that are connection trust to international Union Europa and Arabic Israel and also countries Asia and America continents countries there also, such as also Brazil and also United States of America. Brazil context say about also countries on continents America. This is what I can say on this moment conference because it seems the telecommunication not very clear about the name of countries. Thank you very much. And same goes over Africa and Antarctica and others and planet Mars also. Alien family contact on this moment calendar. See you again on my next internet. The 6th-day God was created human and similar to the Trinity of Christianity. 666 one for the scar for evening. Contact again and keep trying for valuing this moment progress. And about appointment 666. Alien family one contact international 666. The one for the scar for evening need make conference and going to be perfection for the speech by alien family self on international. See you again on my next internet. This also includes about declaration alien family exists for next future as national country money logo. Symbol money 666 among human countries.